What's up, everybody? How are you doing? How are you going through these days? I hope you and your family and your beloved ones, you're all safe and sound, and you enjoy watching current developments in the Ethereum dollar and the Bitcoin dollar. This is the Bitcoin USD chart, and we can see that the Russians probably are quite heavily exchanging their money into crypto at the moment, because when I drink too much vodka, then this is how I walk. Oh, that was like a small, maybe too bad joke on the side. But I wanted to give you a quick update. I wanted to jump right into the chart. I'm in the 1 hour chart, and we are developing, in my opinion, a quite nice diamond pattern. And what is the price target of this pattern? A pattern is a trend reversal pattern. A diamond pattern is a trend reversal pattern normally. Nonetheless, it's like a, let's say, 60-40 or 70-30 that it reverses the trend. If we have a breakout, then funny enough, we are hitting right the resistance of this triangle. Let me make this a bit more precise. We don't cut the wicks usually. So this is in the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart is not too important. Nonetheless, nice trades are available here sometimes. And you can see that in case we break to the upside, then we would hit right the top of this triangle, which looks in the 4 hour chart something like this. And if we break to the downside, then we would break out of the triangle and still run wildly in this pattern, in this what is it? It's like a descending closing wedge that we are building since quite some time. I mean, maybe you can make something like this, that this is like a fake out here, and you take this line and you cut it in here. But you could do something like that, and then you have the breakout of the diamond pattern somewhere here. That really depends on how you want to treat wicks. But let's take it according to the books, which means you have to take all the wicks into consideration. I had quite some desperate trades sometimes where I trusted people saying, yeah, you don't have to take the wicks, but fake outs happened, and all of a sudden the wicks were exactly the lines we hit. This is my opinion in a short term. In a long term, it's getting a little bit more interesting. We really have to watch the political situation. Okay, we can't really say much more. That's the reason probably why we're going sideways. If I go in a daily chart, I cut off these 2 weeks here. I took them as a fake out. I mean, you can do something like that. Again, sorry about that. The brokers are trying everything to make our trading life as hard as possible. And we can very easily see that if I take some, or I create some resistance, I mean, I have put some resistance here already around the $29,500 mark. And then we are actually right now trading at a resistance level, the 42,200, maybe someone like that, 42,600. It's going to be interesting what the diamond pattern is going to do, because we will actually have to break above this red line if the diamond pattern breaks up. And this is slightly a bullish sign, but nonetheless, this triangle shows us that there will be a larger move in the next couple of days, maybe. I mean, the diamond pattern will break out really soon. And what we though have to watch is this wedge. This wedge can be, in my opinion, it could become really, really dirty, because it's going to be a little bit tricky now to find the exact price target. But if we do something like this and take the price target of this wedge somewhere here, then we would be all the way down to $15,000. And as you know, my prediction is not, I'm sorry, my throat. My prediction for Bitcoin at the moment is not really too long, not too bullish. I think that this, depending on the international situation with the politics, with the war, that could be quite a bearish scenario. I'm still thinking that this could be theoretically